Keep your collaborators in the loop and your projects moving without missing a beat, even when you're updating files on Dropbox by following this simple trick. First, locate the file in your Dropbox account that you want to update or replace. You can do this through the Dropbox website or your desktop app. Once you've found your file, hover over it or click the three dots that appear next to it. This will open up a menu of options. From this menu, carefully select the Rename option. Don't worry, we're not actually changing the file's content, just its name temporarily. Now, subtly alter the file's name. You can add a temporary character, like an asterisk or a hyphen at the end, or even change a single letter. The key is to make a minor, temporary modification. Confirm the name change. You'll see the file name update in your Dropbox. Now, you'll upload the new version of your file. You can do this by clicking the Upload button and selecting your new file, or by simply dragging and dropping the new file directly onto the location of the old file in your Dropbox folder. Dropbox will recognize an existing file with a similar name and prompt you to replace it. Confirm that you want to replace the file with your new version. And that's it. Dropbox will automatically update the file. Crucially, the original shared link you had for that file will now automatically point to this new version, without you needing to do anything else. This ensures your collaborators are always accessing the latest content using the same familiar link, maintaining perfect workflow continuity. Seamless updates, guaranteed.